Hello, just a quick update. Whilst Duncan continues to be available to take your calls at the practice to offer advice regarding pain management and antibiotics when appropriate, he's also been busy preparing to welcome patients back to the practice. Initially, it will be for urgent and emergency care only. We're sure that you're all aware that our practice has always operated to the highest safety standards, but during this easing stage of the lockdown, we've put extra temporary measures in place so that we can still tend to your needs whilst adhering to the government's guidance on social distancing. We know that many of you have been experiencing severe dental problems since we've been closed, which has left us frustrated and sad that we've not been able to help, really going against everything we believe in. We've recorded details of everyone who has contacted us with problems during this lockdown period, and as soon as we have a definitive restart date, we'll be calling and emailing those patients to arrange an appointment. Initially, due to all the extra PPP and other restrictions, we won't be able to operate at our normal capacity, so we'll be prioritising the most urgent cases and then booking appointments for those with broken and chipped teeth who are not experiencing any discomfort but nonetheless need to be seen. Prior to your visit, we'll be asking you certain questions relating to any possible coronavirus symptoms. All being well, we will book your appointment and then we will call you the day before to ask them all again to check that nothing has changed. If you or any members of your household are displaying any of the symptoms of the virus, we will need to delay your appointment till when it is safe for you to come in. During this initial phase of reopening, it's unlikely that there will be more than one patient in the practice at any one time, and in the rare event that there is another patient in the practice for a short time, we will indicate which seat in reception to use in order to adhere to the social distancing guidelines. Where possible, please try to attend your appointment on your own, unless of course you need assistance or bringing a child for an appointment. On arriving at the practice, you will need to call us to let us know you're here, and we will ask that you stay outside until someone comes to the door, so it's probably best not to arrive too early for your appointment. Please note that our team members will be wearing more pieces of protective equipment than usual, masks, gowns, aprons, etc., so we may not be instantly recognisable. Please don't be alarmed, it's still us under all that kit. The person greeting you will use a non-contact thermometer to record your temperature and, all being well, will invite you in. You'll be asked to use alcohol gel on your hands when you arrive and also on leaving the practice. You'll be given a pair of gloves to wear for the duration of your visit, which will be removed and disposed of at the end of the appointment. You will also notice that we've had to remove newspapers and magazines from reception, and we won't be able to offer you a tea or a coffee for the time being. Also, there'll be not much time for the usual pleasantries and chit-chat with Duncan, as we'll be running a fairly tight ship time-wise. And it goes without saying that with all the enhanced levels of PPE poor Duncan is wearing, they're not really that comfortable, so time will be of the essence. We're really hoping that it won't be much longer until we can see you. There's certainly light at the end of the tunnel now, so we're keeping our fingers crossed for early next week, but please be assured that we are ready and prepared for when we do. In the meantime, Duncan and all the team here would like to thank you all for your understanding, patience and messages of support that you've sent us over the last few weeks. Thank you.